Hello students, let us learn one more method, Milne's predictor and corrector method in numerical methods. This method is used to solve differential equation, same way as Euler's modification method, Runge-Kutta method and Picard's method. Now in this method, we will be having one predictor formula and one corrector formula. Predictor formula will predict the value and corrector formula will correct it or improve it. As Euler's modification method, corrector formula also can be applied more than once. Now here one more thing you need to observe, that it starts from y4, means y0, y1, y2 and y3 values I should have. Same way I can find out y5 also. If I want to find out y5, I can modify this predictor formula as y5 predictor is equal to y1 plus 4h by 3 to y2 dash minus y3 dash plus 2y4 dash, means whatever is a subscript, that increase it by 1. Same way y5 corrector formula will be y3 plus h by 3 y3 dash plus 4 y4 dash plus y5 dash. Okay, now let us work on it. Now as I told you, the question format will remain same. They will give me dy by dx, some function. Now earlier in all the question they were giving me only x0 and y0. Now what will happen? They'll give me few values of x, few values of y. So first value will be x0, corresponding to that y0 will be given. Then x1, y1 will be given. x2, y2 will be given. x3, y3 will be given. Then obviously if you know h, you can always write x4, x5, right? What you have to do, here I will make one more column which is y dash. Y dash means dy by dx. Dy by dx means the function they have given. Right? Now what I'll do when I am doing y0 dash means whatever is the function given, in that I'll put x is equal to x0, y is equal to y0 and get the value. Same way I'll do y1 dash, I'll do y2 dash, I'll do y3 dash. Once I am done with this, I will use predictor formula. See now y0 is there in my table, y1 dash is there in the table, y2 dash is there in the table, y3 dash is there in the table, and h is a difference between these x values. Okay, once you get all this, you can apply predictor formula to get the value of y4. Once you get this y4, find out y4 dash. Okay, then you use corrector formula, correct the value. Whatever value comes, that will be the final value of y4, the corrected value. Now, using that corrected value, which you should write here, you can find out y5, y5 dash and correct it. So now let us do one question to understand it much better. Now look at this question. dy by dx is given and the table is given. So let us first make the table. X, y, y dash. Y dash is x minus y square. This one. Okay. Now first value of x is 0. Second is 0.2. Then third is 0.4, 0.6, 0.8. Okay. And the difference between these two numbers is 0.2. So h is equal to 0.2. Okay. Now look at the y values. First y value is 0. I prefer to write like this so that I should not get confused when I am applying the formula. y1 is equal to 0.02. y2 dash, y2 is equal to 0.0795. y3 is equal to 0.1762. Okay, now what you have to do? You have to find out y dash. This value is x0, x1, x2, x3, x4. Now first y dash means y dash 0. So in place of x I will put 0 and in place of y also I will put 0. So I will get 0. Okay. Then y1 dash. y1 dash means 0.2 See this one, minus 0.02 square. So this value and this value you have to use. Okay, so this will be equal to 0.1996. Now you pause the video and find out y2 dash and y3 dash. Okay, so it will be 0.3937, 0.5689. Right, now I will go for my predictor formula. Now y4 predictor formula I will write, which is equal to y0 plus 4h by 3 2 y1 dash minus y2 dash plus 2 y3 dash. Okay, what is y0? 0 plus 4.2 by 3 2 y1 dash minus 0.3937 plus 2.5689. Okay, now when you solve this, you will get 0.3049. Use your calculator. 0.3049. So this is the value of y4, but this is not the best value. Okay, now find out y4 dash. How you will find out y4 dash? Y4 dash means in place of x in this function. Okay, so x4 is how much? 0.8. So 0.8 minus y4 is what? This. So 0.3049 ka square. Okay, so this will be 0.707. This value will go here. Now you apply corrector formula. Okay, what is corrector formula now? Corrector formula when we'll apply, it is y2 plus h by 3 okay, put the value. What is y2? Go back to the table and search. See, this is y2. That's why table always make it very neat and clean so that all values you can extract from the table. Y2 dash means this one. Y3 dash means this one. Now when you solve this, you will get 0.3046. Okay, if you want to correct it again, so what you will be doing, you will put 3.3046 in the table here. Ki new y4 is 0.3046 and new y4 dash is equal to, you can find out by putting in x minus y square and you will get the value. Write it here, again put in the corrector formula and then you will get the same answer. Okay, so this is how you have to do the questions. Okay, now let's try one more question. Apply Milne's method to compute y of 1.4. dy by dx is equal to x square plus y by 2 and the values are given. So let's make the table. So x, one second. Okay, so let us start. First x and here I am writing y and here I will write y dash. Okay, so x value see starting from here. So 1, 1.1, 1.2, 1.3 and 1.4. Y value y0 is equal to 2, y1 is equal to 2.2156, y2 is equal to 2.4649, y3 is equal to 2.7514. Okay, now y dash is what? Y dash is x square plus y by 2. So now here when I will do y0 dash, it will be x square means 1 square plus 2 by 2. Right, x square plus 2 by 2 which is equal to 2. Same way y1 dash, Pause the video and calculate it yourself and then check. Okay, so once you get all these values, apply the predictor formula. So y4, so now y4 predicted formula is equal to y0 plus 4h by 3 to y1 dash minus y2 dash plus 2y3 dash. Let me take all the values from the table. First y0 is 2. This is y0 plus 4h by 3. 4 by 3 is to find what is h? Difference between any of the two values, that is 0.1. Then 2 y1 dash. Where is y1 dash? This one is a y1 dash. So 2.3178. Minus y2 dash, that is 2.67245. Okay. And then 2y3 dash. So plus 2y3 dash. y3 dash means 3.0657. Correct? Now when you solve this, you will get the value as 3.0793. Okay? See, when you just listen, you won't understand. So pause the video, calculate it yourself and then check your answer. So my y4 value is equal to 3.0793. Okay. Now I will do y4 dash. y4 dash means what? In x square plus y by 2 means this function. I will put this value and this value. Okay. So my y4 dash value will be 3.49965. After decimal, at least 4 numbers you consider. Now apply your corrector formula. Okay. What is corrector formula? y2 plus h by 3. Then y2 dash plus 4y3 dash plus y4 dash. Put the value. What is y2? 2.4649 plus h by 2 means 0.1 by 2. And then put the values. y2 dash means 2.67245 plus 4 y3 dash, that is 3. And then y4 dash, that is 3.49965. Okay. Now substitute this, calculate this, use your calculator and check what is the value of corrector formula. So you will get 3.0794. There won't be too much of difference. Okay. Almost nearby answer you will get. So if you are getting too much difference, means just go back and check if you have done any mistake. Okay. So this is the answer. Now let's move to the next question. Now I will suggest all of you to pause the video and do it yourself. Then play the video and check whether your all values are correct or not. Okay. So I'll write down the solution. Now from here you first frame your differential equation. Y dash is equal to 2 minus y square upon 5x. Okay, so this is my y dash. X and y values they have given. Right? So x and y value they have given. Let me write. X0 is 4. Okay, so I got x4, then x5 is 4.5. If you have noticed here, they have given me till x4 and they are asking me to find out y5. Okay, so anyways we'll do, you see y0 is 1, y1 is 1.0049, y2 is equal to 1.0097, y3 is equal to 1.0143, y4 is equal to 1.0187. Okay, then y dash means 2 minus y square by 5x. Okay, so now I'll substitute the values and pause the video and calculate. Okay, now I need to find out y5 value. So y5 predicted value, I'll use the formula y1 plus 4h by 3, then 2y2 dash minus y3 dash plus 2y4 dash. Okay, substitute the value. Now what is y1? 1.0049 plus 4h. H is how much? H is 0.1. Okay, then 2 y2 dash. Y2 dash means 0.0467 minus y3 dash means 0.0452 plus 2 y4 dash is 0.0437. Right? So my y5 predicted value will be equal to 1.023. Right? Now I will find out y5 dash. y5 dash means 2 minus 1.023 square upon 5 into 4.5, which is equal to 0.0424. Okay, so I'll substitute here. y4 value is 1.023 and y4 dash value is 5. This is not 4, this is 5. Right? 0.0424. Correct? Now, in question it is mentioned that use corrector twice. So what you have to do now, you will first apply once the corrector formula. So when you apply y5c, okay, so y5c is equal to y3 plus h by 3 y3 dash plus 4y4 dash plus y5 dash, which is equal to, you put all the values, you will get 1.023. So new value of y5 is 1.023. Now I will correct it, find out the derivative again at this point, right? So when I'll put it there and again I will find out, I'll get 0.0424 again, and again I'll apply the corrector formula, and here I'll put the new value, this one, 0.0425. Okay, so again I will get the value which will be 1.023. So 1.023, this is the final answer. If you observe, all came same, though I have corrected it twice, but I got the same answer. But always it will not happen, little variation may come in few decimal places. Okay, let's move to the next question. Okay, so now I have this question. Again do the same procedure. Make the column of x, make the column of y. 0, 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4. Okay, so here y0 is 2, y1 is 2.010, y2 is 2.040, y3 is 2.090, y4 is, I don't know, I have to find out. This is x1, x2, x3, x4. So find out now y dash. All of you pause the video and apply this put the values and find out y0 dash, y1 dash, y2 dash, y3 dash. Okay, so all of you pause the video. I am telling you again and again because if you keep on listening, then in exam when you will do, you will get definitely stuck. When you do only, you will understand where you are facing the problem. So 0.2003, 0.4028, 0.6097. Okay. Now apply predictor formula. When you apply predictor formula, so you will get, I am directly applying without writing formula. So 2.1623 I got. Now find out y4 dash. So y4 dash means what? y4 dash is equal to 2 e to the power 0.4 minus 2.1623, which is 0.8213. Okay. Now apply the corrector formula. Now when I apply the corrector formula, that is, again I'll put the values directly. 2.04 plus 0.1 upon 3, 0.4028 plus 4, 0.6097 plus 0.8213. So I got 2.1621. This is my final answer. Easy. So method is very easy. It looks complicated and lengthy, but it is easy. Now look at this question. These two questions you should practice. If you get problem, you should text me in YouTube so that I can reply back. If any topic you are not getting, please let me know. I'll give the more detailed explanation for the topic. Subscribe the channel, like the channel and share the channel. If you have problem in using calculator, I have uploaded few shorts and few videos about how to use the calculator. If you have a particular type of calculator, another number, another code, tell me the model number. I'll put the video for that as well. Thank you.